Some gears don't just turn, they slide. That sliding action lets hypoid gears carry high torque smoothly and more quietly than many straight bevel designs. Hypoid gear, strength in the offset. A hypoid gear is a type of spiral bevel, but with a twist. The pinion shaft doesn't meet the ring gear at the center. It's offset below. That offset gives hypoids their unique sliding tooth contact. When the pinion rotates, its teeth slide across the ring gear. This spreads the load smoothly over a larger surface. The result, quieter operation compared to some bevel forms, higher torque capacity, and better durability under load. Like any gear set, ratios decide torque or speed, but hypoids let the pinion be smaller and stronger for its size. That means compact designs can deliver heavy torque without bulky gears, though that compact power comes with a cost. Because hypoid teeth slide instead of purely roll, friction and heat build up more quickly. That's why they demand specialized lubricants to keep them running smoothly. It's extra maintenance, but it's the price that makes their strength and reliability possible. Even with the extra care they require, hypoid gears are the go-to wherever compact power matters. Most rear-wheel cars and trucks use them to keep the drive shaft low and the cabin floor flat. You'll also find them in heavy-duty mixers, conveyor drives, and even in excavators, where hypoid sets power the swing drive and propulsion system. Wherever compact, high-torque, right-angle motion is needed, hypoid gears deliver. Here's an interesting fact. Hypoid gears were invented in the early 1920s as a clever way to carry more torque at right angles. By the time World War II came, they were already built into vehicles like the Jeep, giving military machines stronger axles, lower drive shafts, and better stability on rough terrain. Hypoid gears, offset, durable, and built for demanding work. From cars to excavators, they keep machines moving with compact strength. Next up in our gear journey, we'll explore another twist in the family tree. Until then, stay curious, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more.